Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to redeem your gift card for Debenhams. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. You can easily redeem your gift card for Debenhams by select Pay with a gift card or e-gift voucher card option while checking out with a product. Simply click open a web browser and in the URL box type in www.debenhams.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From the category displayed, select one of the options and pick a product that you'd like to purchase. Once you find the product, simply click on it and select the size of the product and click on add to basket. Once you add a product on your shopping bag, click the checkout button. Right where you can see promo code, type in your gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card. Finally, click on apply in order to redeem your gift card online with the product that you've selected. Follow the rest of the process and you'll be able to do so. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.